Welcome to Calilio, the modern business phone system serving your needs across the globe, with numbers available in over 100 plus countries. France, a nation with a rich tapestry of history, where the past and the future converge in the heart of Europe. From the cobblestone streets of Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, doing business in France opens doors to unmatched opportunities. It's not just about tapping into a market of over 67 million consumers, but connecting with a sophisticated economy renowned for its luxury goods, automotive, and aerospace industries, amongst others. Establishing a local presence is key. A France phone number from Calilio allows you to build trust with local clients, offering them the convenience of contacting you as if you were just around the corner, even if you're operating from halfway across the world. With Calilio, obtaining a French phone number is seamless. Our platform empowers your business with not just a number, but a comprehensive suite of tools designed for smooth operations. So, now I will let you know on how you can purchase France phone number through Calilio. First, sign up with Calilio. Once done, over the dashboard, go to Number section, type in France, and choose the kind of number you want, and select the identification number or phrases you wish to have in your number. Then choose the number you want. Give your number a friendly name. It would appear in the cart section next to the Number section. Confirm your number purchase, make the payment for the number. It's done. Now you can connect with your French clients. Using Calilio, the modern business phone system,